Good evening, good evening. This is Venus with No Mess. If you like this content, would you please hit the like button? Hey guys, I had this video about this lady named Erika from Florida. She got into it with the cops and he's supposed to put her in a headlock. I would like for you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. If you have to, view it twice and leave me a comment. Tell me what you're thinking about this. Because when I watched this video, yes, he did approach her and said, did she want a ticket? And she said she wasn't parked there. And things went left. But I didn't like the way he put her on the ground and pinned her to the ground with her stomach and everything on the pavement and had his feet in the background. Also, when she got in the vehicle and she needed to put her leg up, he took his feet and kicked her leg in. Those are two things that I didn't really care for. But I want y'all guys' feedback on this. I'm going to let you watch the video and I'll be back. Hold on a second.
Today I announced that Anita Gibson has been arrested and another arrest is forthcoming under Florida's Halo Law, Florida Statute Section 843.31, which became effective on January 1st of this year. This law creates a 25-foot buffer around first responders, prohibiting individuals from approaching within this area or harassing a first responder while conducting their official duty after a verbal warning. The Florida legislature enacted this statute to protect first responders from threats and interference so that these public servants can focus on their important duties. This arrest stems from a criminal incident that occurred on the afternoon of Tuesday, October 7th, outside of the IDEA Charter School located in the 1800 block of Bassett Road. Erika McGriff, a habitual traffic offender with revoked Florida driving privileges and a parent of an IDEA student, illegally parked her car in an intersection and left it running and unattended. Officer Holton, a JSO officer working as part of the Safe Schools program, attempted to lawfully discuss the matter with McGriff. She escalated the verbal conversation to physical violence. She violently resisted Officer Holton and eventually punched him repeatedly and bit him with such force that she left a bite impression on his forearm. Gibson and another woman pending arrest were originally spectators. Ultimately, however, they violated Florida law themselves by harassing Officer Holton and failing to provide him with a 25-foot area to safely detain McGriff, and after he gave them verbal warning to get back. They did not comply. Because Officer Holton was outfitted with a body-worn camera, his interactions with McGriff, Gibson, and others on scene were recorded. So I'll share that footage with you now. And additionally, a spectator on scene recorded part of the incident on a cell phone. Some of that cell phone footage has been posted on social media platforms. I will play that cell phone video after the body-worn camera footage is shown.
Hey, where you going?
What is the problem? What are you doing?
I need your license.
Huh?
I need your license.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's your car. I just saw you get out of the car.
Hey, that's not my car.
Okay.
I'm going over here. Please don't. Please. Hey.
You right here with your student?
Hey.
You right here with your student?
This is my daughter. Please do not touch me.
Do you want to go to jail?
Don't touch me. I do not stop. I did not do anything wrong.
Yes, you
I did not do anything wrong. No, I did not leave that vehicle.
You could get a ticket.
I was the passenger.
You could get a ticket.
The driver went to the school. The driver's at the school,
sir. You could get a ticket.
I will leave.
Listen, you can get a ticket or you can keep playing this game and go to jail. I'm going to give you one chance.
Sir,
you're creating the drama.
I don't want any drama. I want to go home and I want to leave.
Then
I
let's
just
go
came
over
to
here
pick up
right
my
now.
child.
Okay.
I just came to pick up my child.
You're making this way more than me.
Please don't grab me. Please don't grab me. Don't grab me. Sir, let me go. You hurting my baby. No, I'm going back to my car. Let me. Money. I mean,
you're making a big deal.
Please don't do this in front of my child, sir. No. Take me to my car, please. I will. You don't have to curse me. I will. Let me go. Please don't. You embarrassing my baby.
Sorry,
I'm not pulling away from you. You got me stopped. You gonna punch me? You gonna hit me?
You pull away from me again. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail. I'm about to put you on the ground. I'm about to put you on the ground. I'm about to put you on the ground. Quit pulling away from me. You're going to jail. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You're pulling away from me. You're pulling away from me. Get my baby my purse. She's going to jail. Get her purse. Oh, you know her purse? You were too close. Get out of me, Cocky. Get off of me. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Get someone to help me now. Get someone to help me now. Y'all, please help. Please. I'll do it, please. He's choking me. He's choking me. He's choking me. He's choking me. I can't. Stop. He's choking me. I can't breathe. Please. Please stop it. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me! Help me! Help me, sir! Okay, please. Help me, please! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Put your hand behind her back. They're behind her back. They're behind her back. They behind. Get off of her. Get off of her. She doesn't cut. Okay. All right. Oh, you. Baby. What's the PIN number to your phone so we can call your mom? Back up. Back up. I'm a law enforcement officer. Seen that punch me. And we fought. This is your 1845 Bassett Road. Did she lease it up? Put her in my car. Put her in my car. She punched me and she bit me. The money needs to go inside. The money, her daughter. Who is it? I got some money. What's up? Move.
You know, walk around this road.
Where's the money? We got it. Put it in my car. Put it in my car. Put it in the car. I get the money. Mr. Man, she's playing. Put it in the car. Put it in the car. I'm trying. You got 25 feet to get away from me, or you going with her? I got it. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Damn, you gonna kick me too?
Get in the car and kick you. Get her in the school. She's going to jail. Okay. Get her purse. Okay. Get her in the school. Hey. back up.
Get the off of that lady.
Please back up.
You're like a man. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You is wrong. You is wrong. He is bleeding. He done pulled her hair out. He pulled her fucking hair out of her fucking scalp. Her lungs are on the ground. He checking me.
Stop. She said she can't breathe. She said she can't. Okay, she can't breathe.
Oh my God. Y'all just parking on the grass, and this is what they're doing. This is what they're doing. I got your umbrella.
Please.
I got your umbrella.
Okay, please.
You're laying on her arm. You're laying on her arm. He's laying on her arm. Ma'am, if you could just. She can't breathe. Okay.
So as a result of her actions on Tuesday afternoon, Erika McGriff was arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and operating a motor vehicle while having a driver's license that is revoked as a habitual traffic offender, which is probably what led to her refusing to give some of those things over in the very beginning. These charges are all third-degree felonies, each punishable by up to 5 years in Florida State Prison. Additionally, McGriff was cited for multiple traffic violations. So what's today's takeaway? If you violently resist our officers, if you punch them, if you bite them, you will be arrested. If you crowd and harass our officers or any first responder after a verbal warning, you will be arrested. JSO will always hold accountable those who violate the law. But this entire episode reaches beyond even law violations. It speaks to the breakdown of a civil society that some in our community not only quietly accept, but actively promote. So beyond breaking the law, these adults committed these acts in front of vulnerable and impressionable school children. These adults modeled and normalized for school-age children not only breaking the law, but also lying to the police, violently resisting the police, punching police officers, biting a police officer, and harassing a police officer, and encumbering a police officer. Officer Holton was simply doing his job. Disappointingly, this negative modeling had direct consequences here. Currently, there's an active pickup order for a juvenile for making threats to shoot up Idea Charter School because of this incident. So JSO will not tolerate those who violate the law and victimize our officers or any member of our communities. These jobs are tough enough without all of that. So we reject the flawed theory promoted by some that this type of unprovoked violence is shown to police officers is somehow justified. I ask every member of this community who enjoys the privileges of a civil society, one organized by laws, to reject this flawed theory. No one is above the law. No one should be hurt or hinder a public servant doing the work that is a critical function to our community.
I'm back, guys. I'm back. Okay, y'all guys seen the video. What I'm gonna say is, first, she should have went out and took the ticket, and then she should, took care of it later. But what I didn't like about the video, and you can go back and watch it again, is the way that he held her, and when she was sitting in the car and he wanted her leg to get in, he took his boot and he kicked her leg in. So you have to watch the video twice. I don't know what's gonna come out of this, but they said that she was going to jail. They said some new law called Halo law. I don't understand that law. I have to read up on that law. So Florida had different laws. But I didn't like this video at all, guys. But what I want y'all guys to do is leave me a comment or feedback on this. And I'm gonna reply to y'all guys. Maybe I missed something. Yeah, maybe I missed something in the video. I watched it twice. I'm gonna go back and watch it the third time. And she kept saying that you choking me, you choking me. And another gentleman, I guess someone to work from the school, he had a badge on. He had to come and intervene and help get up off the pavement, off the ground. But I seen blood. She was bleeding. So I don't know what, caused that when he body slammed her on the ground. But they said she threw the first punch. But hey, guys, take a look at the video and tell me what you think about this. But I want to say to my young people, please, guys, please use common sense. Use common sense, because these cops are here are not playing. And I just, when he punched her, I mean, that was enough for me, guys. But like I said, she have to obey the law. But sometimes the authority get it wrong also. But she had got arrested. She in jail. And what hurt me so bad, this happened in front of her daughter, in front of the school that her daughter go to. So imagine what her daughter got to go back to school and other kids seeing this happen to her mother. That's what I didn't like at all. Law, no law. If she didn't kill someone or stab someone, he didn't have to go that far. That's what I'm saying. Okay, guys? That's on my end. Because that child is traumatized also. So, young people, let this be a learning lesson for you also, guys. Do the right thing. So, guys, please take a look at this video. Let me know what you think. Okay? So, this is all I have to say about this video. Please, young people, use self-control, patience, and adapt discipline. And be careful who you hang out with and who you get involved with. And always, always show peace. Until next time.